In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Dropbox subscription. Let's walk through this step by step so you can confidently end your paid plan without any confusion. Before we start, make sure you're signed in to the correct Dropbox account in your web browser. It's best to do this on a computer rather than a mobile app, because the cancellation options are easier to find on the desktop site. Once you're logged in, go to the main Dropbox website, not the desktop folder on your computer. At the top right corner of the page, you'll see your account avatar or initials. Click on that, and from the small menu that appears, choose the option that takes you to your account settings or your plan and billing information. This is usually labeled something like Settings or Plans, and it's where Dropbox manages your subscription details. On the Settings or Account page, look for a section related to your current plan. Here you should see information about whether you're on a Plus, Professional, Family, or another paid plan. Right around this area, there will typically be a link or button to manage your plan. Go ahead and click that to open the subscription management page. On the Manage Plan page, you'll find the option to cancel or downgrade your subscription. Dropbox may phrase this as Cancel Plan, Downgrade to Basic, or something similar. Click that option. At this point, Dropbox will often show a few screens trying to confirm your choice. They might offer a discount, ask for feedback, or remind you what features you'll lose when you cancel. Read these messages carefully so you understand what will change after your paid plan ends. Continue through the prompts, choosing the options that confirm you really do want to cancel. Take your time here and be sure each button you click is confirming cancellation, not keeping the subscription. When you reach the final confirmation screen, Dropbox will let you know that your plan will be downgraded at the end of your current billing period. This means you'll usually keep your paid features until the date your subscription would have renewed. After you've finished, it's a good idea to return to your account or billing page and double-check that your plan now shows as scheduled to be downgraded, or that it's already set to the free basic plan. If you store a lot of files, remember that once your account is over the free storage limit, you might not be able to add new files, so consider cleaning up or downloading important content in advance. And that's all you need to cancel your Dropbox subscription.